Are you struggling to capture leads effectively? With Wistia's integration with Pardot, that challenge is a thing of the past. This powerful partnership turns your videos and webinars into lead-generating machines. Imagine capturing leads effortlessly. Our customizable email forms allow viewers to engage with your videos and become prospects in Pardot instantly. Next, streamline your webinar workflows. Registrations and insights flow directly into Pardot, ensuring smarter segmentation. The third benefit: gain valuable insights. Track video engagement like never before. You'll see exactly which content resonates with your audience, boosting lead qualification. What sets us apart? Our unique ability to pass detailed viewing data into Pardot for tailored marketing automation. This means more qualified leads and increased conversions. Ready to transform your marketing strategy? Start using Wistia's Pardot integration today, and watch your conversions soar. Visit our site to get started now.